Yeah, how you guys doing over there? I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for you guys today. This is Diecast 2013. Before we get started, I just want to let you guys know I got a whole bunch of parcels over here that I'm going to be doing reviews and unboxings for. So if you're interested in all that kind of stuff, don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out my website at www.diecast2013.tk. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. I don't know what's in this parcel, but I know what it could possibly be. But since I ordered a whole bunch of stuff from eBay, I don't really know what's in here. So we're gonna go ahead and get it open there. Looks like we got a parking lot. Did they make a parking lot? Yeah, it's a parking lot. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get this tape off of here. What do we got here? Matchbox or what? Looks like we got two Forestry Services National Parks F550 Super Duties. Just what I needed. And I got the nice light bars on there. Guys, we're going to be doing reviews on these cars, so if you're interested and want to see more information about them, check out my channel. If you like diecast vehicles, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check out my website and check out my channel.